Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We did it. We finally did it. Today we're not gonna walk and talk. I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna open up the YouTube, create a studio, and show you just exactly what we did. Okay, I'm not gonna hold you. We finally made our first $100 after being monetized for a year and maybe a month or two. All right, vamos. Yeah, guys, everything you see here was built one step at a time. Every improvement came from sticking with it, even when nobody was watching. One thing I learned is that success on YouTube isn't just about one viral video. It's about showing up over and over and over again, improving with every upload, and believing in your vision even when the numbers don't. I'm excited because this is only the beginning. The first $100 is just another milestone. My goal is to keep growing this channel, create better travel videos, and bring you guys along for the entire journey. If you're starting your own YouTube channel or chasing any dream, just don't quit. Don't quit just because progress feels slow. Keep learning, keep creating, keep improving. You never know when all those small steps are gonna start paying off. Thanks for being here and supporting the journey. If you guys enjoy seeing the behind the scenes of this creative studio, if you guys want more content, more travel vlog content from your dirty, hit the like button. Most of you guys have subscribed, but if you haven't subscribed, please do. And let me know in the comments what city, what country you guys would like to see me in next. Again, this is just a first goal that, well, not a first goal, but one of the goals that we were aiming to accomplish. We did it. Now we're going to keep grinding and accomplish more goals and go even beyond what we thought we can do. Have a dirty day. Vamos.